There were gasps in the audience when the bullet man flew through the air but missed the safety net and went hurtling towards the ground. Footage has captured the moment Jaime Almarza Quezada is blasted in the air and comes crashing onto the floor among the crowds. The 40-year-old father of two reportedly hit a clown who was knocked to the ground but was not hurt. Spectators went running over to help him after the drama unfolded. The incident happened at the American Circus in the Arauco Maipu shopping center in the Maipu district of the Chilean capital Santiago. Quezada was taken to hospital, where he was treated for fractures to his jaw and knees. He is reportedly still under observation, but in a stable condition. Luis Alvarez, the operator of the cannon, appeared to take the blame for the incident, telling local media, "It was a mistake on my part, my apologies especially to the audience. I did not disconnect the air supply hose, and the compressor made the air return from the accumulator, which then raised the pressure, causing a longer distance than what is always programmed." Read more top stories from Mirror Online. He added that Quezada has been performing the stunt for around 3 years. Around 400 people were in the audience, and none of them were hurt. American Circus told reporters that their programmed shows will continue as planned.